Hello.
Hi, teacher.
Good evening. What is your name?
My name is Susan.
Susan. It's nice to meet you today, Susan. How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, you're fine. That's good to know. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, Susan, today we are going to talk about Lesson 9. The title is A Cold Welcome. Can you read?
All welcome.
Very good. Okay, Susan, let's read the story. What does a cold welcome refer to? Okay, can you read, Susan?
On Wednesday evening, we went to town hall. It was the last day of the year, and a large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. It would strike 12 in 20 minutes' time. 15 minutes passed and then, around 5 to 12, the clock stopped. The big minute hand did not move. We waited and waited, but nothing happened. Suddenly, some people shouted, "It's 2 minutes past 12. The clock has stopped." I looked at my watch. It was true. The big clock refused to welcome the new year. At that moment, everybody began to laugh and sing.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading, Susan. Okay, I will read it again. On Wednesday evening, we went to the town hall. It was the last day of the year, and a large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. It would strike 12 in 20 minutes' time. 15 minutes passed, and then at 5 to 12, the clock stopped. The big minute hand did not move. We waited and waited. Okay? We waited and waited. But nothing happened. Suddenly, someone shouted, "It's 2 minutes past 12. The clock has stopped." I looked at my watch. It was true. The big clock refused to welcome the new year. At that moment, everybody began to laugh and sing. Okay, Susan, let's review some words. Kindly read the words. On Wednesday
Evening.
Very good. Evening. We waited and waited.
Waited.
Suddenly, someone shouted. Very good. Thank you so much, Susan. Now, let's go through the new words and expressions, okay? Let's learn some new words. Kindly read the following words, Susan.
Welcome. Cold. Hand. Shout. Refuse. Laugh.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading, Susan. You deserve a star. Welcome, crowd, gather, hand, shout, refuse, and laugh. Okay, Susan, I will ask you a question. What do you mean by the word welcome? Welcome. Yes? It means It means? Do you know the meaning?
I think means people, other people like a person that he was very welcome.
Pardon?
I think that every people like a person, and I think he was very welcome.
Okay, very welcome. Very good. When you say welcome, okay, I understand, meaning to meet. Like, welcome the new year. They are excited for New Year, okay? How about the next word? Crowd. What do you mean by crowd?
I think the crowd is many people.
Yes, absolutely. Crowd meaning large group of people. Okay, Susan, circle the crowd in the picture. Circle the crowd in the picture. Okay, very good. That's right. The crowd, okay? It means, again, what do you mean by crowd?
I think it means a group of people.
Very good. Group of people. Large group of people. How about gather? Gather.
I think gather is like many people meet at a
Many people.
place.
Yes, absolutely. Many people meet at a place. Okay. I have a question, Susan. Okay. Who is this?
Cindy,
Cindy. And this is?
Sam,
Sam. And this is?
Mimi.
Timmy. Okay. I have a question. What did they do?
Cindy, they are meeting a place.
Yes, that's right. They meet together or they gathered. Very good. Thank you, Susan. And fourth word is hand. Okay? Hand.
And
Hand.
I think hand is a part of our body. Like hand.
Yes, this one. Yes, that's right. That's also correct. This is our hands. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers do we have?
5 fingers.
5 fingers. Very good. Okay. Actually, Susan, we can also call this a hand. Okay. Can you see in the picture the clock? The big clock? Okay, yes. That's also called a hand, okay? Hand in the clock. It is used to point a, kindly read in the chat box. Chat box. It is used to tuk, 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 point. Can you read in the chat box? It is used to point a, what do you call this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on.
Number.
Very good. A hand or hand clock, it is used to point a number. Very good, Susan. You deserve 2 stars. And after hand, let's study the 5th word. Shout. Shout. What do you mean by shout?
Is means or animals talk loudly.
Pardon? Shout means?
Loudly.
Loudly. Very good. Exactly. To say loudly. Welcome. Welcome. What am I doing, Susan?
You are shouting.
Shouting. Okay, very good. I am shouting. And how about the sixth word? Refuse. What do you mean by refuse, Susan?
I think refuse. And want to do something, and he refused to do this thing.
Pardon? When someone
don't want you or don't want something, he will refuse these things.
Very good. When someone don't want you or something, or they say no, they are refusing. Okay? In short words, refuse means to say no. To say
No.
no. Very good. Refuse means to say no. And last but not the least, laugh. What do you mean by laugh, Susan?
I think smile happily.
Yes, very good. To smile happily. Okay. To smile happily. Are you making a sound? Ha 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 ha. Are you making a sound? Yes, very good. To smile happily while making a sound. Okay. Laugh means to smile happily while making a sound. Can you laugh, Susan? Okay, I am laughing. Thank you very much, Susan. Today we learned new words and expressions. Kindly read them again.
Welcome. Together. Hand.
Oops, sorry.
Shout. Refuse. Laugh.
Shout, refuse, and laugh. Thank you very much, Susan. Okay, now let's go to page, okay, I think it's in page 3. Okay, page 3. Let's focus on the special difficulties, okay? Any, not, any, and no. We can answer these questions in 2 ways, okay? When you answer no, okay, meaning both answers mean the same thing. Now, Susan, I want you to read the following questions and kindly read the answers as well.
Is there any tea in the pot? There isn't any tea in the pot. There are no tea in the pot. Is there anyone at the door? There isn't anyone at the door. There is no one at the door. Is there anybody at the door? There isn't anybody at the door. There is nobody at the door. Is there anything in the box? There isn't anything in the box. There is nothing in the box. Did you go anywhere yesterday? I didn't go anywhere yesterday. I went here yesterday.
Very good. I went nowhere yesterday. Okay. So, Susan, I have a question. Okay. Do these sentences, do they mean the same thing? Okay. Do they mean the same thing? There isn't any tea in the pot. There's no tea in the pot. Do they mean?
I think they mean the same thing.
Very good. Exactly. They mean the same thing. Okay. What are they saying? Are they saying there is tea in the pot or there is no tea in the pot? Is there tea in the pot or there is no tea in the pot?
There is no tea in the pot.
Very good. There is no tea in the pot. Okay. Thank you so much, Susan. Now let's focus on the comprehension part. Okay, let's answer the following questions. Number 1, kindly read.
Under the clock because they want to welcome the new year.
Very good. Letter B. Very good. The crowd gathered under the clock because they wanted to
Welcome the new year.
How about number 2? Kindly read.
The clock had stopped.
They realized the clock had stopped
Just in time.
just in time. Let's try again, Susan. Let's try again. They realized the clock had stopped
At midnight.
at midnight. Another try. What happened a while ago? Okay, let's go back to the story. Okay, let's go back to page 1. On Wednesday evening, we went to the town hall. It was the last day of the year and a large crowd of people had gathered under the town hall clock. It would strike 12 in 20 minutes time. 15 minutes passed and then at 5 to 12, the clock stopped. Okay, the clock stopped. The big minute hand did not move. We waited and waited, but nothing happened. Suddenly, some shouted, "It's 2 minutes past 12. The clock has stopped." Okay, let's remember, the clock stopped. It's 2 minutes past 12. Okay, now let's go back and answer the question. They realized the clock had stopped. When? When did the clock stop?
The clock had stopped before midnight.
Very good. It's letter A, okay? Letter A before midnight. How about number 3, okay? Now let's focus on sentence structure, okay? Sentence structure, kindly read number 3, Susan.
They went to the town hall on Wednesday evening. They went in the evening.
Okay. Letter
D.
D, very good. They went to the town hall on Wednesday evening. They went in the evening, letter D. Very good, Susan. That's correct. Now let's go to number 4. Let's read.
The people were under the town hall clock.
Okay, the people. Letter A. The people were under the town hall clock. Okay, I have a question, Susan. Why did you use the word where? Why not was? Why not was?
Was is person, but where is what is many
Very good. Yes, that's right. Or in other words, was it is in singular form, okay? Singular form, while where is in plural form. Very good, Susan. How about is? How about is?
Is it what is the what was
Is?
Was.
Yes. Actually, it's the same with was. Okay, very good. How about number 5? Blank will it strike?
Mm.
When? How long? How long ago? How much?
When it straight.
It's letter
A.
Very good. Letter A. When will it strike? In 20 minutes time. Number 6, Susan.
What did it stop at 5 to 12?
Very good. Okay, that's amazing. What time did it stop? Letter
B.
B. Very good. Letter B, at 5 to 12. Okay, I have a question, Susan. Why did you choose the word at? At 5 to 12. Why at?
Think at at is the word before the time.
Yes, very good. Exactly. Okay. The word at, it is used for time. For example, at 12 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, okay? At 5 to 12. Very good, Susan. That was a very good answer. So you deserve 4 stars. And number 7, did.
Anything happened as you speak.
I choose letter
B.
B. Very good. 7 is letter B. Did anything happen? No, nothing happened. Okay. Now we're done with the sentence structure and comprehension. Let's continue and focus on the vocabulary words or the meaning. Letter 8. Kindly read, Susan.
How many times did the clock talk? I choose C.
Letter Can you write? How many times did the clock? Letter C. Did the clock knock? Okay, Susan. Let's review and try some different words, okay? Letter A. Hit. Okay, let's focus on the word hit. What do you mean by hit?
Find something.
When you
Find something.
touch. Did you say touch?
Find something.
Fight?
Find something.
Okay, fight. Yes, that can be. Fight. Hit. Okay. Actually, hit means to touch. Okay. But that's also correct. When you fight. Hit. 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 Okay. To touch or fight. How about beat? Beat.
It's like a dog will beat the people.
The adult will beat the people. Okay, that's exactly the same with defeat. Huh, huh, huh. It's like fight also. Beat. And let's focus on the third word. Okay, that was your answer. Knock. Okay, what do you mean by knock?
I think more like
Knock. What do you mean by knock?
make a noise.
To make a noise. Okay, that's right. When you say knock, okay, the very common example is knock on the door, okay? Or for example, I'm going to knock on the table. Okay? What am I doing, Susan? Yes, I am knocking or I am making a noise. But how about strike? Strike.
Sorry, I don't know.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, actually, the answer is letter D, okay? When the clock strikes, the bell rings. Okay, kindly read, Susan.
When the times the clock strikes.
Very good. So what is the answer in letter 8? In number 8? Letter?
Was 15 minutes past letter
Letter B, okay? Very good. It was 15 minutes past 11, okay? And how about number 10? Number 10?
The clock usually has two hands, a minute hand and an hour hand.
Very good. It's letter
B.
B. Very good. B. A clock usually has two hands, a minute hand and an hour hand. Number 11. Most people
wear to carry a watch.
Very good. A watch. Most people wear or carry a watch. Letter D. Last number, number 12. It refused. The clock refused to welcome the new year. It
want to.
That's letter
D.
It refused to welcome the new year. It didn't want to. That can be, okay? Thank you so much, Susan. And last but not the least, sentence structure. Okay, here we go again. It's very easy. Join these two sentences, then check your answer against the text or the story that we read a while ago. It was Wednesday evening. We went to the town hall.
On Wednesday evening, we went to the town hall.
Very good. On Wednesday evening, we went to
The town hall.
Very good. We went to the town hall. Okay, Susan, you deserve 5 stars because you did a kindly read.
Good job.
Good job. Yes, you did a good job today. Thank you very much, Susan, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Thank you.